What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Kade Breaks Crap YouTube channel. Today's going to be a full day, so we're getting a super early start. The plan today is to get the windows tinted in my 7.3 Power Stroke. Right now they're super clear. I have no tint on the front windows and I want it to be more private. I'd like to have 5% on all the windows in my truck and the windshield tinted, so that's what the tint shop's going to do. Also, we're cooking bacon on the exhaust pipe of the Ford Excursion. But before all that happens, we're going to make breakfast and get off to the gym. All right, it's gym time, baby. Let's go start up the truck. All right, I am pulling into the gym right now. Let's go get a killer workout.
How you feeling, sir?
Feeling dead, man. All right, workout's finally finished up. Good little arm session. If you guys like content like that, go in the comments and let me know. I'm trying to get a little bit more vlog style. So if you guys want to see more life stuff, let me know. But now it's time to get the truck over to the tint shop. We are on the way to the tint shop right now. We'll be there in about 3 minutes, and we're also going to do a before and after for you guys, do an exterior walk around, show you what the glass looks like before the tint, and then of course doing the after, what it looks like after, all blacked out. We are in the line for the car wash right now, which is also attached to the tint shop. It's part of the same business, so I'm going to get a car wash first because I have a fear that when they're tinting the cars, they're going to be rubbing up against the truck, put the tint on. So if I have dirt and rocks and crap on there, my truck is going to be scratched. I don't want that. So I'm gonna go through the car wash before we get to tint that. All right, so obviously my windshield is not tinted right now, nor are the front two windows. They're completely clear. They're gonna match everything to make 5% all the way around limo tint. And this stuff on the back, this one's gonna be really dark. I'm pumped for that. So over here they have like a little display of the different percentages of tints. The bottom is 25, that's 15, and the very top is limo tint. That's the stuff we're getting right there. Can't even see it through it. All right, so we actually live close enough to bike home from the tint shop, so we're gonna hop on our bikes, get back home, and come back in a few hours to pick the new truck up. All right, guys, I just got the phone call that my truck's all finished up being tinted. Let's go get it. Can I look now?
Nope.
What about now?
Nope.
Now?
Nope. Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's freaking sick. Oh my.
That's a little too dark, babe.
That is sick. Looks so freaking good. Holy crap. 5% on all the windows and 30 on the windshield.
Put your hand on the steering wheel. That's all you can see is his hand.
This is so nice, babe. Literally, I can't even see you at all, like, period. Imagine trying to cut that. That is nuts. You can see off to the side totally fine.
Yeah, it's not that bad until it gets dark out.
No, we just don't drive at night. What's up, guys? We're back in the shop. Let me know if you like the way my tint turned out. I'm super impressed with it. If you think I should go darker with it, say the words darker in the comments. But now, it's time for what you guys have all been waiting for. It's time to cook bacon on the Excursion's exhaust, baby. I know you guys are all wondering, where am I putting this bacon on the exhaust pipe where it's gonna be hot enough? Well, let me show you, come over here. So as the exhaust comes out of the headers on both sides, it comes down into a combination pipe where it turns to one pipe. There's a flat surface on top of those two pipes where they come together. As you can see, it's kind of curved right here and it goes back that direction. First things first, I need to get the car in the air to create a little bit more working space for myself. We're gonna do that right now, baby. All right, now that the car is in the air, time to wrap this thing up with aluminum foil. The reason I'm putting this down is because the reason I'm putting down aluminum foil is because the original exhaust pipe is super rusty and I ain't eating that stuff.
It's like a barbecue, baby.
That's my oven! Before we lay the bacon on the exhaust pipe, I need to extend the exhaust because if we start this truck up in here, it's gonna be a stinky mess and we're probably gonna die. So I'm gonna take probably a PVC pipe and attach it to the end of the exhaust pipe and run it outside the shop. That'll probably work.
Oh, it's soaked in water now. Here we go. Oh, there's a rock.
3, 2, 1. It's already hot from just that little bit of idling. This is totally gonna work.
Oh yeah, see?
73.
73. Okay, we're starting at 73 degrees.
2 hands.
I don't wanna get it dirty. Oh, baby. This is totally gonna work. You think it's gonna work, babe? Mm-hmm. The bacon is now on the exhaust pipe. We are gonna heat this baby up. There we go. It's like bacon, babe. Oh, it's gonna cook it.
Some parts still.
All right, guys, so we finished cooking. The bacon came out absolutely phenomenal. I'm sick as heck from all this carbon monoxide poisoning. I'm not gonna be able to eat this bacon, but I'm gonna show you my wife eating them. All right, babe. How's it taste?
Kind of like gas.
Tastes like exhaust?
Yeah.
Seriously? Try more.
Uh-huh.
All right, guys, turns out you can cook bacon on your exhaust pipe. We got the temperature over 420 degrees. If you like this video, tickle the heck out of the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already.